guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. I'm so happy when filming and showing or sharing our financial journey, but recently I don't upload much videos because of my, if you watch my previous video, you know the reason. It's my new job. So thank you so much for being here and for watching this video and my previous videos, and may God bless you. So without further ado, let's start. So for today, I'm going to do is cash stuffing our sinking funds. So in my sinking funds, there's 4 binders, and the first binder is our priority binder. Second one is health. Third one is birthdays, and the last one is low priority one. So let's start by counting the money. So this money is what's left after all the bills, expenses, and living expenses, deductions, and payment and payables. So what's left here is what's left on our paycheck is 2,200. I didn't fill my cash tapping for our monthly bills and November bills, expenses, because I don't have time to film it. So this one is what's left. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000, 2,001, 2,200. Okay. So for emergency fund, I already write down here. And this is my 10th November to 8th of December. I know it's too late to cash up this because today is the first Tuesday, the last Tuesday of the month of November. I don't have time to film this, that's why. So I just want to show you. Okay, for emergency fund, I allocated here, let's do like this. $100. I will update that tracker later on. So 100. And I will not count it. So for education, 100. For travel, this is a local travel, 100, or if we go somewhere that we need to pay for the bus fare or train fare, this is where I will get it. So for parents, so for my two mothers, my mother-in-law and my real mom, I allocated here $50 each. So this consists of 850 for each of them. So let's get this and here. So changing the, so now they both got 900. So for Christmas, there's already have a deduction here because I bought already some Christmas gift for my niece and nephews in the Philippines, and I will send it next week for my because my daughter is going to Philippines. So for 630, it's I already buy some stuff for my relatives here in Hong Kong. So that the deduction is 880 from the original of 2750 minus 880. So what's left is 1,870. And today I allocated here 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you so total now it's 2270. So I will finish allocating here until December and I will restart again on January. Yeah, it's a yearly savings for me for Christmas. And next one for my health binder. So I allocated here 330. And for the first one is for general health or consultation, medicine, vitamins. I allocated here 100. And for dental, I allocated here 50. So put 100. Total is 600. Okay, correct. For vision, it is empty. Why? Because my husband needs a new eyeglass again. He said it's not fit to her eye to his eyes, so we need to do I need to he need to go to the, how do you call that, the shop, to change it and to have new one. But the money here is not enough for that. So what I do is I deduct some from, I forgot where, emergency fund, I think. Let's check. That's why my emergency fund is not fully funded anymore. Yes, so there's a deposit of 700, but when the time that he need to pick up the eyeglass, we need to pay an additional, I think, half of it. So the total amount is around 1,004 to 1,006, around that amount. So next time I'll show you, I will tell you how much. So now let's restart with the vision. It's already allocated here 50. So the sinking fund serves its purpose. So even it's a little amount, there's an emergency fund that I can count on. you know. That's why keep saving, and later on it will not affect your budget. And it will not become debts. Okay. So for beauty or self-care, $50. And next one's gonna be the birthday binder and friends family binder. Okay, for birthdays and family binder, I allocated there 600. So for me and my second daughter's envelope, I allocated here $100 each because our birthday is in few months, in the first quarter of 2025 in March. So 100. So we got now how much? So we got one, two, so 250 each. So for my daughter, the first one, I didn't allocate here because she still have 840, I think. Yeah, for my son and my husband, they are on the same birthday month. I allocated here $50 each. So they need to split it. This amount will be split into two. And for my mom's birthday, I didn't allocate it here. Still have some money here, but I think I haven't asked her yet how she wants to do with the money, or I can keep it here. I will ask her, but I forgot to ask. So for family fun, I allocated here 100. Let's do it. And for date and anniversaries, I have a small story. So you see, our anniversary was finished last October, but you know what happened? My husband forgot it, and we don't celebrate it. Yeah, I got a bit upset, but it's okay. There's another anniversary next year. or I will just took everything in here and keep it for myself, isn't it? No, I'm just thinking. I'm still thinking. So for date and anniversary, I allocated here 50, and we don't have time to go on date, and we have a different time for our job. So for holidays and festivities, it's $50. And for gift, it's $50. For my amiga, it's still, I haven't used it yet because, well, it's only left on 450. Should be 500 now. We don't have time. We're all working girls, so we don't have time to meet each other yet. And our timing is not that good, so maybe next time. So next one, let's move to the next page. So for a low priority one is household. I allocated here $70. 70. Okay, let's grab here. $70. And now, and let's change this. 2, 4. So the total now is 2,530 plus 70 is 2,600. Let's see. 1, 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 2,600. This for how home maintenance or some light bulb, everything about household, but not for cleaning materials, just for faucet, for lock, for doorknob. That's one. This is for. Then for gadget and tech, so I allocated here 100, and now it's 2,300 plus 100 is 2,400. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 2,400. I still need more to have what I want. Yay! But still, I'm doing a delay gratification. I'm like that. Delay gratification, thinking a lot of times before I buy something. Okay, shopping. It's only $100 left, and we need more about this coming Christmas. We need to buy something for ourselves. So, shopping here, I allocated 200. Let's put here this one and grab 200. Yeah. So, total of 300 now. And for whole help, it's $50. Why I have so much? And for hosting, it's 50. I have so much. I get a mistake here. Maybe I will just recount it, and it's not going to be a mistake because I already calculated it. Maybe I did something wrong. Hold on. Yeah, I think I did something wrong. So anyway, I'll just count the money of Cam, and thank you so much for being here. This is all for now, and see you later, lovelies. Bye for now. Be humble and grateful. Bye. Have a great day. Have a great night. See ya. Bye. Hi, lovely. So I saw that I didn't allocate money here. So $80 is for my son's haircut. Sorry about that. I just wanna Yeah, haircut, $80. Okay, so it's clear now. That's it, lovelies. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.